Hello students, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will learn about the noun cases. Okay, noun cases. What is a noun case? Okay, in Hindi we can say noun के कारक. Okay, then let's know what is the noun case. The relation in which a noun or pronoun stands for some other words called noun cases. Okay, let's know how many part of noun cases. There are 4 kind of noun cases. Okay, number first, nominative case. You can say it in Hindi, कर्ता कारक. Okay, number second, objective case. Means कर्म कारक. Number third, possessive case. Means संबंध कारक. Okay, and the last one is vocative case. Means संबोधन कारक. Okay, that's all. Let's see one by one what is a nominative case, what is an objective case, what is a possessive case, or what is a vocative case. Okay, at first let me erase it. Number first, nominative case. What is a nominative case? We can say that when a noun or pronoun. Work as a subject, as a subject of a verb in a sentence. In a sentence called nominative case. That means you have to learn only one thing. When a noun work as a subject of a verb in a sentence called nominative case. For example, Tushar bought a bag. Okay, you can see Tushar is a noun and it is working here as a subject. It is working in sentence as a subject of a verb because it is a verb and it is working as a subject of a verb. So it is called who? Tushar. Tushar called nominative case of this sentence. Tushar is called is nominative case in this sentence. Okay. Let's see what is an objective case in a sentence. Okay. We could know with the same sentence, but let me at first define it. What is an objective case? Okay. Number second, objective case. Okay. When a noun or pronoun, when a noun or pronoun when a noun or pronoun work as an object to a verb in a sentence called objective case. For example, she helped Priyanka. Okay, you can see here she work as a subject, helped verb, and Priyanka is a noun, but here she is working as an object. Okay, you can see that here Priyanka is a noun, but she is working as an object in this sentence. It is an object of a verb in this sentence. So we can call it objective case. Objective case. Let's see the third case, which is called possessive case. Possessive case in Hindi it is called संबंध कारक. Possessive case in Hindi it is called संबंध कारक. What is in possessive case? When a noun or pronoun, when a noun or pronoun shows its relation with other noun or pronoun. Other noun or pronoun in a sentence. Sentence called possessive case. Possessive case. Okay, let's see example. She is his wife. Okay, this is Mohan's book. Mohan's book. Okay, in the both sentence you can see his and Mohan. The both noun is showing a relation. A first noun or pronoun with the other noun. Okay, so you can say his and Mohan's is a possessive case. Possessive case. Okay, let's see the last and the fourth case of noun, which is called vocative case. Okay, what is a vocative case? It is called Sambodhan Karak. Number 4, vocative case. Case means Sambodhan Karak. You can say if a noun is called in a sentence. If a noun is called in a sentence called vocative case. If a noun is called. In sentence called vocative case. For example, what are you doing? What are you doing, Mayank? Question mark. Okay. You can see in this sentence here someone is called Mayank and asking Mayank that what he was doing. Okay. So in the sentence here Mayank is a noun, but it is working here as a vocative case because it is called by someone in the sentence. So it is called vocative case. Okay. You can see another example. I am going to slap you. I am going to slap you. Slap you. Ajay. Okay. Same in this sentence also someone is giving a warning to slap Ajay. Here Ajay is called, Ajay is being called by someone to be slapped. Okay. Ajay is a noun in this sentence, but here it is working as a vocative case because Ajay is being called by someone to be slapped. Vocative case. Okay, that's all. I hope all of you understand it very well. Now, in next video, we will learn about adjective, parts of adjective, what is an adjective and what is the work of an adjective in a sentence. Okay, thanks.